The year 2015 marks our 20th anniversary, and I am deeply grateful to our clients, both past and present, and to the LAPA staff who strive for excellence every day. Happy anniversary, LAPA. I'd like to tell you a wee story about a time when I attended a fundraising seminar. The presenter was a staff recruiter from a prominent firm, and he quoted a statistic that I've never forgotten. He said, "The development staff at smaller and mid-sized nonprofits usually only stay about 18 months. Upon hearing that, everyone in the audience gasped, knowing that fundraising needed a lot more lead time to take hold than 18 months. I thought to myself, there must be a better way. On that day, LAPA was born, or at least the idea of LAPA. That was 1994. In 1995, LAPA began with 2 staff and 1 client, Family Services of Westchester. We were hired by Family Services to rescue a failing camp for kids who were living with HIV and AIDS, Camp Viva. We ended our work 5 years later, and the camp continues to succeed to this very day. 20 years ago, when LAPA was born, we started as an outsourcing service, a back office, literally, to implement your essential fundraising programs. Traditional consulting is based on the idea of transferring skills to the client so that you can implement the work yourself. But we thought that model was ineffectual for many of our clients because they often also needed the capacity to implement the strategies developed, not just the strategies alone. Therefore, LAPA serves, even to this day, as a back office, providing fundraising services for nonprofits when needed. We also provide strategy for major campaigns, plus the planning services that also may be required. In brief, LAPA's 3 core services, campaigns, grants, both private and public, and planning services, are 3 ways to get where you're going. LAPA's experience benefits you because LAPA employs senior consultants, all of whom have extensive experience in the nonprofit sector, more than a typical nonprofit can afford to hire in-house. We have an in-depth insider's knowledge of the issues you face every day. A distinguishing aspect of LAPA is our focus on return on investment and the analysis around it. LAPA focuses on your bottom line, typically generating high returns. For every dollar clients have spent with LAPA, they have received an average return on investment of $4.25 from private grants, $27 from government grants, and $8 from campaigns. LAPA is the only fundraising firm in New York City that tracks and publicly reports on our return on investment. We do that for every client. Our performance report card is issued mid-January of every year. For every dollar our clients spend with us, we show what they've received in return, and we make that information public. In 20 years, we have never failed to raise more money for a client than the amount the client paid in fees. Like you, LAPA is driven by results. We've helped clients overcome challenges and capitalize on opportunities, often in ways they never thought possible. When LAPA starts working with you, we craft a scope of service that is customized to meet your fundraising or planning needs. Hiring LAPA is an investment in your future that will pay off in dividends. To sum it up, why call LAPA? Well, we offer a team usually comprised of a prospect researcher, a lead fundraising professional, a strategist, and a project manager. The team is multi-talented, multi-skilled, and expert on many fronts. Across the firm, we constantly share information about funding sources that might support you. We also provide a second review on every document and strategy before you even receive it. We back each other up and stick to the schedule. We're program content experts and experienced professional fundraisers with proven track records. There's an incredible satisfaction in making the world, or at least one small corner of it, a better place. So let's work together to make that corner even bigger. This is Lawrence Pagnoni from Lapa Fundraising. Happy anniversary, Lapa.